Social media's power, boosting website traffic and brand awareness. Social media has revolutionized the way people interact and communicate online, becoming an indispensable tool for businesses to reach their audience. With over 4.2 billion active users worldwide, social media platforms provide an opportunity for businesses to increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, and engage with their customers. Increase website traffic. Social media platforms are a great way to drive traffic to your website. By promoting your website on social media, you can reach a larger audience and attract potential customers to your site. Share links to your blog posts, landing pages, and product pages on your social media channels. Use eye-catching visuals, compelling headlines, and enticing descriptions to grab the attention of your audience and encourage them to click through to your website. Build brand awareness. Social media can help businesses build brand awareness by increasing their visibility and reach. By creating a social media presence, businesses can interact with their customers, share updates about their products or services, and build relationships with their audience. This can lead to increased brand recognition and loyalty, which can ultimately result in more conversions and sales. Engage with your audience. Social media allows businesses to engage with their audience in real time, creating a more personalized and meaningful interaction. Responding to comments, messages, and mentions on social media shows that you value your customers' opinions and are willing to listen to their feedback. This can improve customer satisfaction and lead to positive word-of-mouth marketing. Leverage social media advertising. Social media advertising provides businesses with a powerful tool to reach a specific audience with targeted messaging. By using social media ads, businesses can reach new customers who are interested in their products or services. With advanced targeting options, businesses can target their ads based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and more, ensuring that their ads are seen by the right people. Measure and analyze results. To ensure that your social media efforts are paying off, it's important to measure and analyze your results. Use analytics tools to track your website traffic, social media engagement, and other key metrics to determine which strategies are working and which need improvement. This will help you refine your social media strategy and achieve better results over time. In conclusion, social media has a significant impact on website traffic and brand awareness. By leveraging the power of social media, businesses can increase their reach, engage with their audience, and drive more traffic to their website.